Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install MySQL to your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice. Doesn't matter to me, but I'm going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. And I'm just going to search for MySQL into Google. One of the best results should be from MySQL.com. Go ahead and select the Downloads button here. And then you want to go ahead and scroll down. And you want to select, unless you want to install the Enterprise Edition, you can, which is not free, of course. But if you want to go down to the MySQL Community GPL downloads, go ahead and select that. And now you want to go and select the MySQL Community Server. Unless you want to, again, install something else, just go ahead and make your selection. You want to select the option that says Installer MSI, so select the Go to Downloads page. And I'm going to select the second one here, the 450 megabyte download. Go ahead and select that, and then select No Thanks to start my download. And give it a moment here. Depending on your internet speed, this may take longer or shorter. And then go ahead and open up that file to run it. You can minimize or close out of the browser at this point. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And select Yes again. Follow along with whatever type of setup you want to install here, and that's pretty much it. So just go ahead and make your selection and then follow along with the process. So pretty straightforward process, like I said. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.